Hey everybody, Bruce here, and in this video, hopefully it'll be short, I'm going to show you how to install the requests module, which you're going to need for some of the programming assignments. Now, this module is not part of the default Python installation, so I'm going to show you how to install it on Mac and then Windows, all right? So for you Mac people out there, by the way, for you Windows people, if you want to scrub ahead in the video until you see Windows somewhere, yeah, that's where you want to be. So, but for your Mac people, what I want you to do is go into Terminal. And I just hit Command Spacebar to bring up Spotlight here, and I'm going to type in Terminal, and it's going to bring me to what we call the Terminal window. The Terminal window. Here it appears, and drum roll please, there it is. So what we need to do now is we need to type pip 3.6 because that's the version of Python you should be using, and then the word install, and then the word requests. Just like that. Pip 3.6 install requests, and I'm going to hit enter, and it should install the requests library. Doop-a-doop-a-doo, ba-doop-a-doo. I won't sing anymore. So there it goes, collecting requests, and there it is. It did its thing. Yours may look a little bit different because I had some of this stuff installed prior. But what you can do now is you can fire up idle. I'm going to fire up idle here. Doop-a-doop. I said I wasn't going to sing again. Doop. Oh, sorry, I slipped. Should I drum? No, my Mac is a little slow today because I have a ton of things going on. Backup is not running. So let's just wait patiently for idle. It's bouncing on the dock. Okay. If any of you Windows people are still around, you should watch this anyway because you never know when you're going to have to or when you will be asked to install something on Mac. All right. So here is idle on the Mac. Looks just like it does. And I'll make sure that the library is installed, the module. I'm going to say import requests. And if it doesn't come back with an error, that means we're good. Good. So we have it installed. Now you can go off and do the exercises. That library request is now part of the Python installation. Nothing needs to be in the same folder. You know, there's no file that you need like we did with the graphics library in the past. All right, so let's go on to Windows. Boom. There we are. So the way you install pip on Windows is I'm going to go down to the taskbar here, and I'm going to type in CMD for the command prompt. And here is a window with the command prompt. Now what I need to do is I need to navigate to the folder that I had you install Python in week number 1. So I'm going to do a cd backslash, and that brings me to the root folder on the root directory on the C drive. And now I'm going to type in cd python 3.6. Is it 3.6? No, it's Python 3.6, just like that. You see that right there? Then I'm going to cd for change directory into the scripts folder, and you can see it successfully did that. And now what you need to do, and by the way, I'm going to take a directory listing here so you can see. Actually, did I not put? Oh, hold on one second. cd. Let me just take a directory here. cd scripts dir. Huh. It was supposed to have installed. Oh, you know something? I know what I did. I forgot to complete my installation of Python. So let me just check right here. See if it's here. Python 3.6. Idle. There it is right there. But where did I install it? Hold on one second. dir asterisk dot. 3.6.2. I knew I was a little. cd python 3.6.2. Yours may be on 3.6 or another folder. Make sure you get the right one. Then go into the scripts folder. And now if I take a directory, you should see pip. And you see pip 3.6 and pip 3. We want to do pip 3.6 install requests. And now it should install the requests library, the request module, and it's thinking, and there it goes. It's downloading all the code. It looks a little bit different than it did on my Mac installation, but there it is. So yeah, so now let's go into idle. Let's go into, by the way, you can just click on that and do that and go there, and let's go here. All right, so there's idle, and if I do import requests, yeah, it worked. Okay, so now you have everything you need to complete the programming assignments that require the requests library. If you have any questions whatsoever trying to install the requests library, just let me know. Hit me up on Slack. Thanks for watching.